Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Rishi here, back with another video. Coming at you guys with an awesome drawing of Godzilla. It was requested by devC, capital C, and hope you enjoy. Also, last time I kept an Fortnite intro kind of montage, and you guys beat me in the comment section. So this is the Apex Legends. Hope you like the montage. It's just for the intro, nothing else. And also guys, make sure to like, subscribe my channel, turn on the notifications on if you're new. And thank you so much for the support you gave me on Instagram. Got 300 followers. Yay! And without any further ado, let me play you the drawing. Let's get started.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand, open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the trees.
Hope you guys enjoyed that drawing, and the music was from the Fat Rat. I'll link his music down in the description. Thank you so much, Fat Rat, for allowing me to use your music. It was really great. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe my channel, turn on the notifications on if you don't want to miss out any uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.